Hey everybody, so welcome to my website for 4507. You're going to see here that this is my homepage, Growing Green Grasshoppers. It's for kind of like a pretend school that I might be the director of someday, called the Green Grasshopper School. So you'll see here that it just says hello and welcome. We have a contact us page here at the bottom with our little pretend playground here, and phone number, address, email, all of that good stuff. We have my blog called The Grasshoppers Gab. You'll see that throughout this that I have really enjoyed alliteration. So you'll see my last blog, The Wikis in the Classroom, and then my other two here at the bottom. Going back to my website, you'll also see that my last revised will come up as well. And here's my blog that's just kind of embedded into my website. So moving on, we're going to go kind of through these tabs up here. So our story page will have information about the school, how it came to be, all of that good stuff. You can meet the director, aka me. It has a little information about me, some pictures, my bio, all of that good stuff. Then we'll have a meet the staff page, which is pretend teachers that I would hire for this school. Next we'll go over to green parents. This is like a page for our parents, and it will have like a calendar of school events, and then down here we'll have a grades tab where they'll be able to check their grades, as well as a Grasshoppers Gab, another place that my blog was embedded. Let's see. As far as technology projects go, here is my little home page with both of my little creations there. Then we'll move on to the digital story. This is a sort of interactive video that I made for preschoolers that might come to this school with young children. You don't necessarily, it's not developmentally appropriate to let them just watch a video, even if it is informative. So the idea is that if they're interacting with some sort of screen, that it's more developmentally appropriate. So there's prompts in this digital story to have them moving their bodies and doing yoga poses to kind of help some social emotional concerns. So the mobile app that I chose was Classroom Screen. Again, that was the one that I found to be most developmentally appropriate for this age group. It just kind of goes over what it does. So the website evaluation that I did, loading, is the pre-K pages, and I actually found out about this via the Hi Mama podcast that I listened to, and I expected it to be fantastic listening to Vanessa talk about the pre-K pages site, and then I just completely found it to be overwhelming, and a lot of the stuff that was posted was not developmentally appropriate, so I was disappointed in that. Moving on to the PLN, PLE, we have our definitions in graphic, and then we have my assignments here completed. I have a videos tab. I just added like a few cute little videos, one on like forest kindergartens and outside learning environments, which would be two things that might be helpful for parents to watch about our philosophy at this pretend school. Moving on to resources, we have, I've split them up between community resources and classroom resources. So the community resources are things that are local to Baton Rouge that parents and teachers could, use. So we have Knock Knock, the EBR Parish Library System, Red Stick, and a bunch more. We can scroll through. We have the Web 2.0 resources here. And then classroom resources. Some of these would be like things that I would use for lesson planning, philosophy, things that I would use in the classroom. So Cosmic Kids Yoga is a great resource that I use in my kindergarten classroom. It's this really wonderful lady that narrates stories, and it goes with yoga poses, and I use this often to help my kids calm down if they needed it. We also have like Montessori, Reggio, NACI, all of that good stuff. Moving on to the teacher evaluations, I just have two little buttons here, one for the Apple Teacher Certification and then the other for the screencast that you're watching now. I'll go ahead and click on the Apple Teacher Certification. Seems like my computer is moving a little slow. Sorry about that. You'll see that I completed that. Under the More tab, we have the blog again. You'll see that here, and contact us information again. That's located here under the More tab and down here at the bottom. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know.